In this video, I'm going to talk about how this portable battery pack made me thousands of dollars and saved me hours of time in my photo booth rental business. So before we get into it, please hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Hit the notification bell and also give this video a like. It helps the channel out so much. So right into it, I'm not even wasting any time. This is a JACKERY Explorer 1000. The company is JACKERY, and no, they don't sponsor me. They didn't pay me for this. They didn't tell me to do this. I'm not promoting it to hype them up. I'm promoting it because I believe in it. And this is this thing here has made us thousands of dollars, saved us hours of time, and it's just been the best. Besides our photo booth, this thing is the first and most important thing that is related to our business. So let's talk about how it's made us money. Within the last year alone, we've been approached to do weddings or parties where there's no power nearby. If there's no power nearby, that means you can't plug in your photo booth. There's no way to power it. So we have this. This is where this thing comes in handy. So we have this photo booth here. We have the ring light, we have the iPad, and the JACKERY is down below underneath the table. And it is at 70%. This event is going to be 5.5 hours, but the JACKERY will definitely keep it charged. So there's less power here versus yesterday where we had the printer and all that good stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to tap in to show you that the JACKERY will also charge your iPad digital photo booth. And then, yeah, the next time you'll see me will be after the event, and we'll see how much power we have left. All right, so it's been 5.5 hours. Let's check on the JACKERY. We're packing up, but check it out, 43%. We just unplugged everything, and yeah, the light was on the whole time. The photo booth, they took about, I don't know, maybe easily 100 and something photos.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the JACKERY? You think every photo booth owner should have one?
Yeah, you should. It's way less hassle. Like, it lasts forever.
How many times has it saved us?
Dude, so many times.
Yeah.
Sometimes we're outside in the park, you know, there's no plug, so yeah. You should have it. It'll prepare you, and it's easier to set up. Like, we hit it, there's no cords.
It was under there, yeah. So
it was best.
I did the math. I think we've made about $4,000 off of iPad booths just using this, and about $2,000 for print photo booths. So that's about $6,000 worth of jobs that we've taken just because of this unit here. So now I want to talk about why we chose this one over your more standard traditional gas-powered generator. Few reasons. There's time. I do not want to spend time having to do oil changes on a gas generator. I don't want to put gas into it. Gas is like $6.50 where I'm from. So that alone is like, you're saving money on having this right here. So the gas, the time that it takes to do the oil changes, you have to put in like some type of like stabilizer with the gas. That's extra money. Don't want to spend that. So that alone right there really turned me off from having a gas powered generator. I've had this for about a year, and you know, I think it's paid for itself by tenfold. I mean, I can't even imagine like our business now without this thing. So back to the comparison, gas powered versus electric. Also noise. Let's talk about the noise. Gas generators make tons of noise. Even the ones they claim that are quiet, they're not that quiet. And if you have a gas powered generator and you're outdoors, you're at a venue, and you know it's a wedding, you know, no one wants to hear the no one wants to hear that. That's a terrible impersonation, but yeah, I mean, this thing right here is super quiet. It makes a little bit of noise every once in a while just to get the fan going, but it's like almost silent. Like, it's super quiet. And also, look how small this thing is. It's not that big. It's like, you know, I would say this is like the size of a shoebox, like a shoebox and a half. And it's like, I don't know, maybe it weighs like 20 pounds. So it's lightweight, it's quiet. You know, maintenance on this is like $0. So moving on, let's talk about how this thing has saved us time. And I mean hours and hours. Each event, I did the math, it'll save us about 10 minutes to 15 minutes every time that we set up, because since we are using this unit here, we plug in everything we need right into here, and then maybe some cables into here, and we don't have to run an extension cord. When we run extension cords, that means we have to also spend more money. We have to have gaff tape and tape down the extension cord from the booth all the way to the wall. There's times where we have to run our extension cord about 25 feet, and we're talking about 25 feet of gaff tape. That adds up. That's expensive. Gaff tape is super expensive. But the time, it takes forever. It's like 10 minutes to make sure that the cable is secure, because if it's not secure, if someone trips on a cable, you can get sued. And I'm telling you, at these weddings, quinceañeras, these birthday parties, people are drinking, they're drunk, they can barely walk as it is, and then you bring in the cable, a loose cable, that's just a recipe for disaster. So this thing also, you know I'm talking about how it's made us money and how it's saved us in time, but it saved me peace of mind. Knowing that like my photo booth is completely portable, there's no cable showing. I can leave an event if I'm doing an iPad drop off, or I can be at an event if we're printing and not have to worry about that. As a business owner, you're always concerned about being sued, because all it takes is literally one really bad injury, and that can ruin your business, especially if you're starting off. It's like something you can't afford. As always, I'm gonna put this in the description if you're interested in buying. It is my Amazon affiliate link. I know it's a little pricey, but I'm telling you, you guys can have this as an add-on. So next time someone wants to hire you, you can charge them $50 to $100 just to bring your own power. It'll pay for itself. So yeah, that's gonna be in the description, and I will also leave their new version of this in the description. The new version will allow you to run power longer and also have more things running at the same time. So again, guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.